Howdy, it's Indy. Just doing a vlog from my walk this morning. I go on a walk literally every single day, and it's my favorite time of the day. Usually I spend about half an hour to an hour out walking, and I have my music or I listen to an audiobook, which I just started doing the other day, and it's actually fantastic. And I also sometimes walk without any music or anything because it gives me a chance to kind of think and reflect on what's going on. So I highly recommend that if you are finding that you just can't think of anything or you're trying to find an answer to something but nothing's coming to you. Try going for a nice long walk without any music, and maybe it'll help if you even try talking out loud to yourself to get your thoughts to start rolling, to start coming out. And that works for me. It really works really well to talk to yourself. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but just try it. No music, just what am I going to do about this? Well, this is what I could do, and I don't think this will work because I don't appreciate the way this person, etc., etc. Like, that's just how it works. What else? This is just something that I think a lot of people should do. It gets a little bit of exercise in for the day. It helps you stay on track and remember what you have to do during the day, and it clears your mind, and it makes for a beautiful morning. But I'm also lucky enough to live somewhere where the weather is nice all year round. Super lucky. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.